Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to upload photos to Canva from your phone. First of all, you can open the Canva mobile application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the new design, or you can just simply use your recent designs. In my case, I can select new design by typing on plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Now you can just simply select the template. I can select this template. After selecting the template, you can just simply see the option that is camera roll at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can just simply select the photo or video. Here I can select this photo. After selecting the photo, you can now tap on add to page, and this is the way you can adjust the photo or video, anything. And this is the way you can upload photos from Canva to your phone. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.